In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a survey on Qualtrics. Whether you're working in a team or seeking feedback from others, sharing your survey effectively is crucial. So let's dive right in and cover every step in detail to make this process smooth and seamless. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Qualtrics account. Make sure you've got your credentials handy as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the projects list page. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of all your surveys. Your next task is to locate the specific survey you want to share with others. Scan through your projects list and identify the correct survey to work with today. Once you've pinpointed your survey, look for a three-dot menu or a drop-down menu located next to the survey's name. Click on it, and a variety of options will appear. From the list, you're going to want to select Collaborate. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to invite others to view or edit your survey. If for some reason you don't see the option to collaborate, it's possible that you might not be the survey's owner. In such cases, it's best to reach out to your brand administrator. They can enable the relevant permissions for you so that you can move ahead with the process. Now, once you're in the collaboration space, it's time to add collaborators. You'll notice a search box where you can type the name or email address of the individual you'd like to invite. Once you've entered the details, a list of results will appear. Select the correct user from this list and click Add Selected. Repeat this step for any additional people you want to include, ensuring everyone who needs access is invited. With your collaborators added, it's time to set their permissions. You'll have a few options here. Decide whether you want them to simply view the survey, edit it, or distribute it. Making the right choice here is crucial, as it dictates what your collaborators will be able to do with the survey. After setting the permissions, you have the flexibility to customize your invitation by adding a personal message. This step is optional, but it can be a nice touch to clarify the purpose of the collaboration or to extend a friendly greeting. Once your message is ready, click on Invite to send out the email invitations to your collaborators. Finally, don't forget to save your settings. Click Save to finalize the sharing process and ensure that the invitations are sent off successfully. And there you have it. A straightforward guide on sharing your survey in Qualtrics. By following these steps, you'll facilitate smooth collaboration and make the most out of the survey sharing feature. Thanks for tuning in.